Hello, welcome to Larent Academy. In this video I'll be showing you how we can use the paste link. The paste link is a function that creates a link between two sets of data one copied from the other source. Now what do I mean by this? This set of data has been selected, so I can click on copy and come over to, for instance, come over to sheet 2 and then let's paste it here. Paste it here, then I click down here and I click on paste link. So paste link. Now I can go back to my sheet 1. If I alter anything in my sheet 1, I'm going to also notice that immediately that thing becomes altered in the one I have pasted in sheet 2. Now let's start. Here I have my data in ascending order. So let me try to sort it in descending order from smallest to largest. Okay, that's bringing out here. Let me do that manually. Let's say 8. We have 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 on. Now let me go back to the other data, the one I have pasted in sheet 2. Can you see that the numbers have been rechanged from the largest to the smallest? So that is what happens. Anything I do to the data in this sheet 1 is going to affect the data in sheet 2. But if I dare do a change to anything in the sheet 2, it's not going to affect sheet 1. In fact, it's going to disconnect the set of data in sheet 2 from the one in sheet 1. Thank you for listening. See you in the next video.